guys, this is Frank Teske here in Brick, New Jersey. I'm at MarineMax to show you our 2020 Sea Ray 350 SLX. As you can see, I'm standing on the swim platform. We have the brown sea deck flooring, the dune color interior. Really nice change up here for 2020 Sea Ray. Totally reconfigured the 350 SLX. Larger transom seat here. This one has a nice pop-up for lounging. This one you can kind of lay out a little bit more. Very versatile seating there. As we move into the cockpit, you'll see that the flooring switches to the infinity woven, still in the brown color. At the transom here, nice hinge seat, insulated cooler. Seating wraps all the way around. On the starboard side, you got your grill, Kenyan grill. Got the sticker still on here. Nice sink. Pull out fridge, that way you're not reaching in. And a trash receptacle. This boat does have two coolers accesses, one here and one in the bow. This is the upgraded sound system. You can see the big subwoofer here. Moving up to the helm, nice Sea Ray leather wrapped helm wheel. Upgraded Simrad screens, those are 12 inches. Flush mounted fusion stereo. Spotlight with remote access. All your halo switching here, push starts, safety items, lights, horn. You do have the auto trim tabs on this boat. Simrad VHF, digital throttle, and your Axius propulsion system. This boat we ordered specially. This one actually has the 6.2 350 horse C-Core. C-Core has a little more stainless steel components, better for a saltwater environment. On this port side here, this is where Sea Ray switched it up again. Little cabin access. You can make this into one big full lounger. You have a TV, you have air conditioning down there. And then they switched the headroom to this side. Nice port light, mirror, and a nice porcelain head. Moving up to the bow. Again, another change up. Sea Ray actually has bench seats, and then you have filler cushions. So you can have two forward-facing loungers, or you can remove these and have nice seating for 5 up here. Right here you got 3 cup holders, fusion stereo speakers, fusion stereo remote, USB. Of course you got a windlass. Nice access here, remote. Freshwater washdown for whether you're washing down your hands or the anchor. Here's that spotlight remote. And as we look back, you will see that this boat has the hardtop with opening, hardtop opening. This is a great feature. Even short guys like me can hop up there, open that up, and we'll close it back across if there's weather. Also, you have an extended sunshade right here. This will come back all the way across, pretty much cover out to back here. So again, to recap, 2020 Sea Ray 350 SLX with 6.2 350 horsepower C-Core motors. It's here in Brick, New Jersey. My name is Frank Teske. Thank you for taking the time and hope to see you soon. Bye.